Why, hello, everyone. Ashanti is here with Profit Mode Financial Services. I hope that you are having an amazing day. And so one of the things that I want to talk about is payroll. If you are just starting out in business and you are actually looking for a payroll provider, so you're at a point to where you have a good amount of capital, and you know the importance of making sure that you have your tax payments being paid on time. I wanted to talk about 3 different services that you could use for your payroll. Number one, you can use, I'm gonna talk about 4 because we'll talk about a manual one. Number one, you can use QuickBooks Online. QuickBooks Online, I've had people split. Some people love it, and then other people absolutely hate it as it pertains to automatic. Because one of the things with QuickBooks, for those people who don't have a lot of things going on as far as special situations, let's say if you have like 1 employee or 2 employees and you're making 100 grand a year, you set it and you just set it on automatic and forget it. The thing that I don't favor the most about that is that you don't have any control in it over the situation, and it just automatically pulls from your bank account to pay for your taxes and to pay your income. And if there's any fluctuations in your bank account, that is a huge problem, and it's just going to auto pull it out. Okay, so you definitely, that's one of the downfalls with that. However, it is really good if you have the capital, you have enough capital to start supporting your salary, and it makes it really easy because on the other side, if you as far as all of your payroll reports are done automatically for you, including your W-2 at the end of the year, which is absolutely beautiful because it makes it, making you doing your personal taxes a breeze. Okay, that is a good one. Okay, the next one, which is ADP. ADP, I've heard more, like a lot better reviews with ADP. However, a lot of people don't like the price point of ADP. And it's pretty much off-site. So you have another third-party company that's doing your all of your payroll functions for you. Some people don't like the fact that their information is off-site. They would prefer to have QuickBooks. So ADP, that was one of the ones that I was looking at for a client. However, my client didn't want to go with them due to their price point. Okay. So the next one that is pretty new that I'm going to be testing really soon is Gusto. I've heard a lot of great things about Gusto. This video is not sponsored. And then also this video is for informational and educational purposes only. So Gusto, I've heard a lot of things about that. It's supposed to be more like counterintuitive and easy. So I'm going to test it out to see exactly if that's right or not. And then the other thing you could do is you could do it yourself on a spreadsheet by calculating, what you want your salary to be, especially, first starting off. You can start out with a small amount, but at least, you'd be paying something for your taxes. So you literally can have a calculation. So I think like paycheckcity.com that allows you to put in your state, how much you want to pay yourself, on the frequency in which you want to pay yourself. And it'll tell you and calculate for you the amount of Social Security taxes, federal taxes, and everything that should be taken out. But it's actually, it's a lot of steps to that if you do it manually, because you go there, you keep it in a spreadsheet, and then you have to file all of those forms manually. So I would highly suggest that you get a software to do your payroll. And then you have to keep up with making sure that each and every time you pay yourself, that everything is calculated correctly. Okay. So there's a lot of steps to it. However, if you don't mind doing all those steps and you want to keep it lean, then you can do it manually as well. Okay. All right. So pretty much those are some, places for you to start figuring out how to pay yourself. And then also, so for the manual ones, for people who don't want to commit to a software, you could probably see about paying yourself once a month, so it's less of a headache for you. So at the end of the year, you only have 12, transaction situations, and everything will be a little bit easier to follow for you. So that's a possible solution. Okay. Until next time, stay profitable and stay great. And if you found this video helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and share and subscribe. We are trying to help as many entrepreneurs as we can on this journey. We know that there's so many moving parts and pieces and deadlines and documents, especially as it pertains to Texas. I like to focus on Texas because I'm in Texas and Texas is my niche. So I'm going to be doing more videos that are Texas specific. All right. Talk to y'all soon. Bye.